Hello friends, you welcome to my complete Java course. In today's video lecture, we are going to learn StringBuilder class. StringBuilder class in Java. Java StringBuilder class is used to create mutable, modifiable string. The Java StringBuilder class is same as a StringBuffer class except that it is non-synchronized. It is available since JDK 1.5. So important constructors of StringBuilder class as a three constructor. So here you can create the StringBuilder class with the help of three constructor. First one is a default constructor. So it creates the string buffer StringBuilder class object. So first constructor create a empty StringBuilder class object with the initial capacity 16 characters. Second constructor create a StringBuilder class with the specified capacity, and third constructor is used to create a StringBuilder class with specified string. So there are some important methods of StringBuilder class. Just read one by one. I have given the method name as well as the description. The description is very easy. So the basic or most important method of StringBuilder class is append method for appending the string, insert method for inserting the string, replace method for replacing the string, and delete method is deleting the string from the specified index. Reverse method, capacity method, ensure capacity method, character act method to find the character from a specified index, length method, substring method, and substring method from the begin and end index. So these are the special method or mostly used method. So number one is the string builder append method. String builder append method is same as the string buffer append method. It just append the string. So here is the example for append methods. Second is the string builder insert method. Insert method insert the given string with the string at the given position. Here is the example. We have already discussed in the string buffer class. It is work as same as a string buffer class. Next method is replace method. Replace method is used for replacing the string from the beginning index to end index. This is the example of replace method. We have already discussed in the string buffer class replace method. It works same as the string buffer replace method. Next method is delete method. It is used to delete the string from the beginning index to end index. And this is the example for delete method. Next method is reverse method to reverse the string. You can see the example for the reverse method. Next method is capacity method, which check the capacity of a string builder class object. This is the example for the next method is ensure capacity. So basically the string buffer and string builder class, there is only one difference, major difference, which is string buffer is a thread safe. All the method in the string buffer is a synchronized method, and the string builder, all the method is a non-synchronized method. Otherwise, the constructor wise and method wise and the functionality wise, string buffer and string builder are the same. So friends, thank you for watching this video lecture and watch my next video lecture for learning new things in Java.